Well, Jake, I've got to say the screen is really the main highlight for me. The first, most important and notable thing is the 120 Hz refresh rate. So smooth. Moving from 60 Hz to 120 Hz, the experience is truly outstanding. The clarity and smoothness are excellent. I've been using the Find X2 Pro for a few weeks before the global launch in March, and to be honest, it's going to be hard to switch to another display. When I browse Twitter, Instagram or Facebook, the animations are so fluid, you really do have to experience it yourself to appreciate it. And the 120 Hz screen also takes the pleasure of watching videos or even gaming to the next level with motion clear, which can enhance videos from 30 or 60 frames a second to 120 frames a second. So watching moving video is great with a more smooth viewing experience. The viewing experience is also richer as the screen supports Quad HD Plus resolution and can display over 1 billion colors with HDR10 Plus certification.
But doesn't that lead to high battery consumption? What impact does that have on the battery? And how do you feel about SuperVOOC?
I was actually pleasantly surprised that even with this very powerful display, I'm still getting very good battery life on the Find X2 Pro and SuperVOOC 2.0. Well, I've said this many times before, but it is the fastest charging I have ever experienced on a smartphone. Anytime my phone is low on juice, I just need to plug it in for a few minutes and I'm good to go. 40% capacity in just 10 minutes. With this kind of fast charging, everything else just seems very slow in comparison. SuperVOOC 2.0 is definitely one of my favorite features on the Find X2 Pro.
I'm really glad to hear you liked it, Saf. We take pride in our fast charging capabilities, and Oppo has been a pioneer in the fast charging scene since 2014. We work endlessly to bring meaningful innovation that transforms the experience for our customers.
Yes, that's right, Jake. Next, I'd like to draw everyone's attention to one of the most important features on any smartphone, the cameras. Oppo has always offered excellent camera features and a great photography experience, and the Find X2 Pro has an amazing AI-enabled 48 megapixel versatile triple camera setup which captures stunning images and video. You can see some samples here. This is one of my favorite 48 megapixel ultra wide angle shots that was taken during the initial launch in Barcelona. Such a unique perspective of the buildings, and the zoom capability, it's second to none. You can easily get up close to your subjects. I shoot at 10x zoom all the time, but having the option to go even further, up to 60 times, is so useful. And here is an HDR video captured with the phone. You can see that even though there is a very bright background, the Find X2 Pro has still maintained detail and clarity in the foreground. For me, this is one of the best flagship smartphones of the year for sure.
I'm really glad you like the product, Saf, and thanks so much for taking the time out to speak with us today. Before we go ahead and reveal the highly anticipated price, let's just look at the features once again. Now that we've done a quick recap of all the features, let's watch a full video about the Find X2 series.
The Oppo Find series pushes the boundaries of technology to constantly create new possibilities. Now, we're doing it again, awakening your senses with the new Find X2 series. Crafted from highly durable ceramic, every curve is deliberately designed to feel like an extension of you. For a visual experience that brings you closer to reality, we've incorporated a 120 Hz ultra-vision screen that makes the screen smoother than ever. True billion color display refreshes seamlessly to present every vivid detail. So real that you'll feel like you're actually there. The best-in-class O1 Ultravision engine turns even normal frame rate videos into high-quality presentations. While the sound stereo system awakens a stunning, cinema-like experience into your hands. The Find X2 series also introduces a revolutionary Ultravision camera system that features a larger custom-made sensor and all-pixel, omnidirectional PDAF technology. So even in low-light conditions, you can switch and lock the focus between foreground and background seamlessly. Live HDR video recording captures videos with sharper detail in bright and in dark, while the periscope telephoto lens easily turns every photo into art from any distance. Our 65-watt SuperVOOC 2.0 flash charge, again pushing charging speed beyond the imaginable. The unique component configuration was designed for the era of 5G. We've set a mission to use technology to awaken your senses. And now, the answer is right in front of you. Oppo Find X2 series.
So like I mentioned before, I have another surprise for you. There is a feature that I would rather show you than tell you about. Let's put the device into the water and to see what happens. While repairing the screen or fixing the back cover may be easy, fixing any water damage caused may be less easy, and therefore we thought of a solution in the initial phase by making the Find X2 water and dust resistant. I know it's hard to believe, and that's why I said I'm going to show you the feature. So let me take a photo to demonstrate it still works perfectly. It works like magic. I bet you people can't wait to get your hands on one of these amazing smartphones, which will help you uncover the ultimate. And now, for my second surprise, let me introduce my dear friend Thomas, who is a senior brand manager at Oppo.
That water immersion test was really impressive. It's incredible to see what this device is capable of. Namaste and good afternoon, everyone. I'm Thomas, Senior Brand Manager at Oppo. I hope all of you are doing well. I would like to thank you all for being part of Oppo's incredible journey. Today, I'm here to reveal the big surprise that everybody's been waiting for, the Oppo Find X2 Pro Lamborghini Edition. This gorgeous limited edition smartphone draws its inspiration from the legendary Lamborghini Aventador SVJ Roadster. It embodies the confluence of cutting-edge technology with premium artistic design. For this special edition, we wanted to join hands with a brand that not only epitomizes premium the way we do, but also strongly focuses on offering the best in technological innovation. When someone talks about Lamborghini, we immediately envision a premium, elegant, yet powerful experience. This is exactly what we at Oppo are offering with the Oppo Find X2 Pro Lamborghini Edition. This edition offers an industry-first design with the use of hot forging glass to simulate the aerodynamic lines and 3D light and shadow of a sports car. With an amazing in-hand feel that's sleek to the touch, the Find X2 Pro Lamborghini Edition fully embodies the spirit of a super sports car. The light and shadows change as it moves, bringing forth a powerful sense of depth to the overall premium and luxurious high-tech design. As you can see, the Lamborghini logo at the back is crafted to give a 3D effect, adding to the overall exceptional design aesthetics of this smartphone. What's more exciting is the customized Lamborghini supercar theme, which offers a luxurious, premium Lamborghini experience throughout the smartphone interface. The box itself is customized with an imprinted surface with a hexagonal design and Y-shaped headlight elements, and comes packed with customized accessories, including a set of wireless earbuds, a protective case which is made of eco-friendly microfiber leather, handcrafted details offering a sophisticated experience, and a SuperVOOC 2.0 car charger, as well as a 65-watt SuperVOOC 2.0 adapter and cable. The cutting-edge design concept reflects the ultimate pursuit of offering premium detailing while recreating the concept of a real supercar in a flagship smartphone. We hope you enjoy using this limited edition smartphone as much as we did creating it for you. Thank you for joining us. Now let me call
series. So let me break the suspense for you. The Oppo Find X2 is going to be available in India at a very attractive price point of 64,990. Moving on to Find X2 Pro, we have also joined hands with Forbes India To express our heartfelt gratitude for these ultimate fighters, Oppo will be gifting limited edition Find X2 Pro to select warriors. That's all from me. We hope you enjoyed watching the launch and get a chance soon enough to get your hands on our most awaited Find X2 series.
Thank you so much, Sumit. It's been lovely hearing from you today. So now, let's see if Taslim was right. No wonder he was so confident. My phone has charged to half battery. It has been a pleasure to introduce the Find X2 series to India. The Oppo family wishes the best for you. Stay safe, uncover the ultimate with the Find X2 series. Have a great day and goodbye.
Oppo Find X2.